Did you know that neglecting targeted digital advertising for your tech product can mean you're just missing the boat? Let's quickly talk about a strategy that's all about precision: targeted digital advertising. All right, I don't want to overwhelm you, but why does it matter? Imagine your marketing efforts as a laser beam, cutting through the noise, reaching the exact audience that's hungry for your tech marvel. That's the power of targeted digital advertising. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you laser focus your digital ads for maximum impact? Step 1, know your audience inside and out. Understand their demographics, their interests, and their behaviors. This data is your power for crafting ads that resonate. Step 2, choose your battlegrounds wisely. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads and social media are your go-to arsenals. Use them strategically to place your ads where your audience loves to hang out. Step 3, it's not set and forget. You gotta optimize, optimize, and optimize. This means keeping a close eye on performance metrics. What works, what doesn't. Adjust your strategy on the fly to maximize effectiveness. All right, well, there you have it. See, with targeted digital advertising, you're not just spraying ads into the digital abyss. You're strategically placing your brand in front of the people who matter the most. I've included a few Facebook ad tutorials down below from people that I trust that will help you get started on this digital marketing journey so that you can reach your audience with surgical precision and let the tech world know that your tech rocks.